Hello friends, once again welcome back to another new video. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make organic pesticide easily at home using chilies and garlic. You can use this pesticide on any type of pest such as mealybugs, aphids and bugs. So without wasting any time, let's prepare the pesticide. First of all, you have to take some garlic bulbs and you should separate the garlic bulbs into a separate container. You have to take about 20 grams of garlic bulbs. Okay, this much of garlic bulbs should be enough. To 20 grams of garlic bulbs, you should take about ripened chilies. I am going to take about 2 chilies. And what I am going to do now is I am going to grind the garlic first. You should grind these 20 grams of garlic thoroughly. Okay, now let's grind the garlic. After grinding the garlic, now you can add the chilies. After adding the chilies into the container, you have to grind the chilies thoroughly with the garlic. The grinded paste of the garlic bulbs and the chilies make the base and the active ingredient for our pesticide. And now we are converting this paste into a pesticidal solution, and I will show you how to make the solution and how to use the solution. Okay, now our ginger and chili paste is ready. Now what I am going to do is I am going to separate this paste into another container. Now you can see the chilies and the garlic is grinded well. I will show you a closer look. No need to grind too much. You should grind them gently, such as this. Now you should add this paste into an exact amount of 1 liter of water. Remember, take 1 liter of water for the paste of 20 grams of garlic along with 2 chilies. Now make a solution and let it aside for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, we will filter this solution and we will separate it into the sprayer. Okay, don't forget to filter the solution to remove the undissolved particle from the pesticidal solution. Okay, now we will transfer this solution directly into a sprayer and I will show you how to apply this on your plants. This is a very good organic pesticide to remove the all kind of pests from your plants effectively. So you should try this pesticide at your home. And now I will show you how to apply this pesticidal solution on your plants and at what intervals you should apply this to your plants. Okay. Now our pesticide along with the sprayer is ready. Now it's time to test. You should apply this on your plants by spraying, and you should apply during each 15 days for better results. Okay friends, hope you like the video. If you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in our comment section. and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more videos just as like this. Okay friends, once again thanks for watching and have a very wonderful day ahead.